So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again with another transfer video. Who ain't we been linked to, by the way? Is there anybody we've not been linked to yet? I don't think we've been linked to Draxler yet or Villa. This is just getting out of hand. Can we actually sign some of these players? That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Actually sign a player. Here you go. We're going to be linked to this one and we're going to sign them. How hard is it? Anyway, we are going to talk about Dominic Calvert Lewin in a minute because it's out there. People are reporting on it. We're going to give our views on it. You're going to give your views on it. And we're going to decide it's probably a load of cobblers, but it's a talking point. Make sure if you haven't, go and check out the Raheem Sterling and Mahrez video. We're linked to everyone. Real talk. This is mad. Make sure you go and check that video out. That don't sound like it could happen when you look at it on paper. Dissect it a little bit. It could potentially happen. You never know. You never know. They have got 2 years left on their contract. So go and check that one out anyway. But thank you very much for 58,000 subscribers. Big up all of you lot, man. You lot are real ones. Make sure you follow my Insta. 44,000 of you are frauds. Go and follow the Insta, League Under 82. Link in the description. I'm doing a giveaway first week of July. So go and check that out. Make sure you're involved. You have to follow me on Instagram or you're not involved. So it's kind of simple, really. And I'll be back again at 10 o'clock. We're going to talk about William Saliba again. There's rumours that he's going out on loan to a Premier League team this summer. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But Dominic Calvert Lewin is a very interesting one. This guy last season kind of upped his game, didn't he? It was like a different footballer. This was a guy that was moving with Tammy Abraham vibes before last season, where he couldn't header a ball. He was tall, he was physical, he was quite strong and fast, runs the channels really well. He's got every attribute to succeed. But his heading ability, the season that we've just completed, oh my days, this guy has turned into a madness. I can't lie. Obviously, Duncan Ferguson's done something right with him because he has now taught him how to attack a ball when it is coming into the box. And it is mad. The heading ability of this guy has just gone up through the roof. It is insane how good he has got at heading. Is he a one-season wonder? Well, that remains to be seen, doesn't it? Because he did bag 21 goals last season in a team that finished 10th under Don Carlo, who's now run off to Real Madrid. But he did himself actually have a really good season. And it wasn't exactly being served up chance after chance after chance. Everton, first half of the season was superb. Second half of the season, they just kind of fell away, didn't they? So it weren't like he was playing in an all-singing, all-dancing Man City team creating 100 chances a game. So to bag 21 goals in all competitions, I actually think is a really good achievement. And it's something that our strikers didn't do. It's something that our striker, Lacazette, hasn't done since he's been at this football club. He hasn't bagged, I think, more than 20 goals at all. I don't think he's ever hit 20 goals since he's been at Arsenal, excuse me, in one particular season. So, listen, I like Dominic Calvert-Lewin. I think he's a good player. I think his hold-up play is very good. I think his reading of the game is good. I think his heading ability is insane. But he's more than just heading ability. He's more than just a physical lump you can hang the ball up to and he'll hold it up and spin it around the corner. He's got so much more to his game than that. His movement's decent, like really decent. He works the channels so well. I really like him. I think he's a very good player. Now, listen, he's probably valued around 40 odd million quid, maybe even more than that, probably 50, 55. He does have 4 years left on his contract. In fact, he's probably more than that then, isn't he? But there is a report doing the round, or a few reports doing the rounds, suggesting that he is going to be lined up as a Lacazette replacement. Lacazette has got a year left on his contract. We have offered him a 1-year extension to that. He's obviously holding out. I don't know what for, because we shouldn't have even given him that. So he should be signing that up straight away. He should count his blessings that he's still at this football club in the first place, because, excuse me, last season, the one before last, absolute washout. The season we've just finished, people are banging on about, oh, but he scored loads of goals. Oh, but he did this. The amount of times I see Lacazette on watch-alongs and I said, just look at his face. Just look at his face in the first minute of a game. That'll tell you how well or how bad he will do in a football match. If he's got that face on, he's dropping a 0. If he's got he'll drop a 2. If he's smiling, he might get a 10. I don't know. The thing is, he ain't good enough. He ain't going to fire us to Champions League spots. He ain't going to fire us to titles, that's for sure. Dominic Calvert Lewin is still relatively young. He is only 24 years old, and he's got Premier League experience, as we know. He can score 20+ goals in a season, we know, in a team that you would probably say their midfield's better than ours. Other than that, the rest of the team probably isn't. Their midfield's light years ahead of Arsenal's, but the rest of their team isn't exactly blessed. So, yeah, I don't know, man. Whether it happens or not remains to be seen. Me personally, I don't think it's happening, but it's out there. It's a talking point, and that's what we do with these videos. We take a story, we talk about it, and we decide with our own opinions whether we think it's going to happen or not happen. I don't personally think it'll happen. I would like to see it happen because, like I said, I do really rate him. I nearly swore then. And I've been good. I've not been swearing. I nearly swore then, but I do rate him. And I do think he is a better footballer than Alex Lacazette. Alex Lacazette with 1 year left on his contract. What we're getting for him, 15, 20 million. If we sign him up to another year, we've protected his value. We could maybe get 22 million. It's pathetic. Like, just get rid of the guy. He's a bum. He's not good enough. Go and get somebody who's better. Dominic Calvert Lewin is better. He wouldn't be ridiculous money. He wouldn't come on ridiculous wages. I think we should be all in for him. What do you guys think? Leave it all in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on him. Do you rate him? How do you rate his season as well? And do you think he is a one-season wonder? Or do you think that that is the defining season now? He can kick on. Like, he's like basically learned his trade now, and he's going to evolve into a top class striker, because every time I've seen him, he does trouble and scare the life out of defenders. Like, whether it's working the channels, whether it's backing in, holding the ball up, winning their flick on headers, whether it's movement in the box, whether it's running onto a header and attacking the header, like attacking the ball as it's coming in, like from a whipped cross. I think he's superb. I really rate him, and I've really been impressed with him this season. So you let me know what you think. How highly do you rate him, or you might not rate him? Would you take him as Lacazette replacement? Leave that in the comments. Make sure you follow my Instagram. You rats, the rat army need to assemble. Where is Master Splinter? I haven't been putting him on these videos. I really should, shouldn't I? Where's the rat? There he is. Rat army assemble. If you ain't following my Insta, get on it. Excuse me. And I'll be back again at 10 o'clock. Make sure you go and check out the Mahrez Sterling video that I dropped at lunchtime today. Good luck to England tonight, I suppose. We've already qualified, so it's going to be a dead rubber. What's the point in watching it? I won't be. And yeah, I'll see you again at 10 o'clock tonight after the games are finished. And make sure you smash a like on the video and subscribe as well. Appreciate that. Don't forget, whatever it is you're doing today, your Arteta out and Southgate out.